In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center something in Webflow. Centering content is one of those small layout tasks that makes a big visual difference, and Webflow makes it straightforward once you know where to look. First, log into your Webflow account and open the project you're working on. Once the designer loads, click to select the element you want to work with on the canvas or in the navigator. This could be a div, a section, or any container that holds the content you want centered. Keep in mind the settings we're about to use will center the content inside the selected element. If your goal is to center an element itself inside its parent, you'll apply these same settings on that parent container. With the element selected, head over to the Styles panel on the right side. This is where you control all the visual properties. Scroll to the Layout section. Here you'll find the display setting. Change display to flex. This step is crucial because the centering controls you need only appear when an element is using Flexbox. Once flex is enabled, look for the alignment controls. In Webflow's interface, you'll see options that represent the horizontal and vertical axes. Set both the X and Y alignment to center. Doing this tells Webflow to center the child content along both the main axis and the cross axis, which gives you perfect centering horizontally and vertically. If your flex direction is the default row, the X-axis controls left to right positioning, and the Y-axis controls top to bottom. Setting both to center places the content right in the middle. If you don't immediately see a change, a couple of quick checks can help. Make sure the element you set to flex actually contains the content you expect to center. Also, for vertical centering to be obvious, the container usually needs some height, either from its own defined height or from its parent. As long as the container has space, the centered content will snap into the middle. You'll typically see a clear visual cue on the canvas when everything is centered. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, select the element, go to the Styles panel, open the Layout section, set Display to Flex, then in the Alignment controls, set both X and Y to center. It's a clean, responsive way to center content that works beautifully across breakpoints and keeps your layout consistent. Now you can quickly center buttons, text, icons, or entire blocks with confidence.